Hello everyone, if you're facing this error when you're trying to update your Windows 0x800F081F, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying Windows update error on your computer easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here control panel, you're going to search for turn Windows features, and then you're going to click onto programs and features. You're going to go into turn Windows features on or off. And here you're going to make sure both of these folders are ticked on. So .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8 both are ticked on. Press OK then. You're going to open up your web browser then. And then you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to click download on here. And then you're going to open it up. You're going to click on here, click next. And here you're going to click next again. Wait for it to do its thing. After that, you're going to click next again. And then you're just going to click finish. And you're going to go ahead and restart your computer now. And once you're done with the restart, now when you go ahead and update your Windows, you won't get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.